Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel. Press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
CopyNova review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll be talking about this software called CopyNova. So this is the CopyNova review, and right now we are on the sales page, and then we have the login access of the dashboard as you can see here, and somewhere we have the demo video as well. So we'll talk about these three things one by one, starting with the sales page. It says, attention, starting your own 6-figure copywriting agency just got faster and easier. Next generation A.I. is missing here. So if you are doing abbreviations, I guess, if it means artificial intelligence, then if there is a dot after A, then there needs to be a dot after I as well. You speak English. Technology write all the marketing copy for you and your clients using just a keyword. Create and sell any marketing copy without writing a single word yourself. And then you go and read all this here. So let me get done with the sales page here. It's kind of only for me wasting my time, nothing more, but we have to do whatever we have to do to save our friends, right? So literally I'm doing something which I'm not born for, I guess, and if you take this as a goodwill gesture, then I will be thankful. Otherwise I'm making my money. Are you making your money? So this will cost you 17 bucks. The questions here are what how do so we have the credit system inside. Okay, so 50 credits, you can write 50 copies. Okay, are there any limitations or restrictions? In front end, 50 copies, 50 credits. Okay, cool. Do I need to install any software? No. Do you have 100% money back guarantee? Yes. You first of all go and lose your money and you will never get the refund. How do I get support? Email them at support@sadaapps.com, I guess. Let's get done with this shit, okay? Because if you go and see, they also have a demo video on the sales page actually, right? But if I find that video for you, where is the demo video? Come on. All right. So you see here, click on watch on YouTube and you will see this demo is very detailed, descriptive, and you will learn everything inside. It's done actually. It is a 3 seconds. You see here 0.03. So it's a 0.03 seconds long demo video, which was uploaded 4 days ago on December 16. Okay. And let me show you the demo video again. Let's full screen. There you go. There you go. 3 seconds, demo is done. So it was a very detailed, descriptive, explanatory demo video in which they have explained their product. So I hope you understand by now what you are paying for. Okay. And if you want, you can actually rewind this demo video again and again until you understand what just happened with you. Okay. So keep rewinding this demo video for 3 seconds. Put it on a loop. Put it on a loop maybe for 2 minutes, 3 minutes to make sure that you actually know what you are going to get into. Okay, and then we have the dashboard here, and you create some copy, some paste, some email, some garbage. I literally am not in the mood and I have no interest in going through this shit. Okay, the only reason I am recording this video so that I can tell you, do not buy this garbage. They don't even care. Well, is this a joke or what? 3 seconds demo video. Do I have to tell anything about their credibility? Yes, maybe I can show you something here. Let's get to the profile of SADA Group, and then you will see their launches in the past. So far 7 products in this account, and the rating is 1.3. 1.37 out of 5, which is pathetic. Very, it's kind of a king of garbage. Okay, so they are king of garbage, I would say. And then we have some OTOs. So this is what you will be getting in front end. And I don't like Windows 11. It just does this thing. You see, I don't like these options. I want to do this manually. I hate this. So upgrade 1 is this. Upgrade 2 is this. Not sure why I'm not showing you this. Upgrade 3, upgrade 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, 7 upgrades, right? And then we have these upsells here. So I guess we are done with the review. Simple answer or statement is, do not buy this garbage, king of garbage, whatever this is. Okay, I will not even play around with here. I don't even want to click on anything here. It's, I feel like vomiting when I am working inside this software. It's so, it's so disgusting. It's giving me a disgusting feeling, because when I was looking at the sales page and then I saw the 3 seconds long demo video, and then eventually I logged in, and my mood was literally in minus, in negative. I said, what rubbish is this? I am not made for this. But then I said, if I don't make it, then how would you find this? How would you find my opinion on this? Okay, so we have to do whatever we have to do to save our friends, correct? So yeah, that's how I guess my video is done. Okay, nothing else to talk about. This is piece of shit. Okay, now why am I making this video? Because yesterday I have recorded a video. So if you go on my channel here and you go to videos, yesterday the video was commission builder. Okay, in this video I told you that I will show you the proof that how much money I'm making with this first link which says make money on autopilot with forex trading. Okay, so forex trading is a method in which you will trade currencies. For example, if I show you the setup here, so this is the whole setup. Okay, and this is the software. Okay, you see the trades here, trades here, trades here, trades here. So the software does all this trading, and then you will be making some profits. For example, today I have made around $59. Okay, so if I show you my account, the total balance is 780, and account history, today's profit loss is 59 bucks. Okay, yesterday my balance was 721. So let me double click. So if you come and watch this video, commission builder, in this video I have shown you yesterday that my balance was 721, and I said I will record a video tomorrow. In this video I told people that I would record a video, which I'm recording right now, and I will show you what my balance will be tomorrow. Okay, so this is my balance today, which is 780 in total, and in this video the balance was 721 yesterday. So now I have made this 59, I guess, profit. So if you add 59 into 21, that becomes 780. Okay, so this is one of my real accounts. You can see live server, live means real account, so this is real money. And this is the demo account. In the demo account as well, I have made the same profit today. And then this is one more account, I guess. Which one here? This one, I guess. Here I made 100 bucks just today. It's a demo account. Okay, and it was $200 deposit, and I made 100 bucks. Okay, so it depends which currency you're trading and what stuff going on. So all of this will be covered inside the training here. So if you go and click on the first link which says make money on autopilot with forex trading, come on this page, enter your name and the email address, click on unlock the syndicate, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you verify the email, you'll be taken to a video. Watch the video, take action. If you don't take action, go back to sleep. Okay, so take action, otherwise nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. Nothing will be changed. Nothing will change in your life. Okay, so keep watching the video till the end to get some confidence. First of all, don't be in the rush, but this thing is gonna work. Okay, so first thing is about forex trading. This is on automation. Inside the training syndicate, you will learn exactly how to set up the whole platform, the whole system, and you will also have my support on Skype. You can ask questions, and you will have a lot of questions, I know, because this could be something new in your life. Okay, second link says make money with Traffic Jarvis. This Traffic Jarvis will help you to do exactly what I'm doing right now. So in case if you want to go and make these YouTube videos or do affiliate marketing, or you want to get your YouTube channel monetized, you want to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within a couple of weeks, then go and try Traffic Jarvis. Traffic Jarvis will exactly help you to replicate what I do on YouTube. Okay, and we'll talk about these links as well. So subscribe to the channel, it's free. Like, dislike, whatever you feel like. Press the bell notification, and if you want to support and contribute, then click on thanks. Otherwise, subscribe is free, like is free, do that. And let's try to cut this short. CopyNova is garbage, king of garbage. Demo is quite lengthy. I was not able to watch the video till the end. It's three seconds long. I can't take it, it's too long. Dashboard makes me feel vomiting, I guess. Makes me to feel I would like to vomit right now after this video, but not practically, but from my mind, in my mind, I think it's so disgusting. What are we trying to achieve here? Email, female, she-male, I don't know. Okay, so I don't want this, and I will kick this off as soon as possible, because I have some awesome ways to make money. One is on automation, make money on autopilot with forex trading. Let me show you the proof here. Actually, if you go and check my this is a website where this account is shown in numbers. Okay, so this is linked, so all this data is shown here on the web dashboard, and you would see that yesterday my profit was around $67, and now after we have made those 59 today, so the total profit is 125.65, and you can see yesterday was 35 lots, 0.35, and here we have one today, which is December 20, 1.47 lots. Okay, now in forex trading, you do not win the money, you win the lot. So the more lots you win, the more money you will, the more amount you will win. Okay, and if you come here, you will see profitability. So the software has done 91 trades so far, and it's 100%. So we have never lost a trade so far. It's 100%. So every trade which software opens, that has been closed in the positive. And you can see here that my total deposit is 674. Okay, it's almost $700. So I have deposited $700 in installments, not at one go. I started with $100. You see here the small building, small graph here, which is kind of invisible. So these small are $100 account. So initially I started with $100, and then I deposited more money, and these buildings which you see 0.35, 0.35, 0.35, these are when I had the $500 account. And then in the weekend on Sunday, I deposited more money. I deposited around 200 extra, and the total became 700. So when I am trading with 700, my profit was around $50, and you can see we have 1.47. Okay, now do not understand anything from here, because it's not that complicated, because this is not necessary to know in order to make money. Making money with this method, automation, is going to be very simple. You will have to go through this training, and then you will be able to set up everything here just like me, and this will be working on autopilot on a virtual machine in the back end. Okay, this is my real computer, but when I click on this icon, this is a virtual machine on which this is working. This will be working 24/7. Even if your computer is turned off, this thing will be working. Okay, I can't explain everything. It's a 7 hours training which you have to go through. So enter your details and check this out, and then check out Traffic Jarvis as well if you want to make money on YouTube just the way I do. Subscribe, like, stay away from these madness garbage products. They will just come and go, and you will lose money if you get into this. Okay, so I guess let's wind this up now, and thank you for watching. In the end, I will show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail now. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube, Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything. Okay, so before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending one email per day, but you need a lot of numbers. Okay, you need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far, and when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission. Okay, so these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers. Okay, and then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube traffic Jarvis, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the traffic Jarvis video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is gonna make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days, and after that your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change, these numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay, all right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get kiss tracking, keep it simple stupid. Kiss tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this kiss tracking training. And this kiss tracking will also be available inside traffic Jarvis. Okay, and then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too, but it is good if you have some experience already. And experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for rest of your life, then you can go for traffic Jarvis YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, baba tai tai. That means tada bye bye.